If you've lost access to your Google Photos account and don't have access to your email, you can still attempt to recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Google Account Recovery page. Go to the Google Account Recovery page by entering the URL in your web browser. This is the starting point for recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your phone number. When prompted, enter the phone number associated with your Google account. Google will send a verification code to this number to help verify your identity. Step 3. Receive and enter the verification code. Check your phone for the verification code sent by Google. Enter this code on the recovery page to proceed with the account recovery process. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when you created your account. This helps Google confirm that you're the rightful owner of the account. Step 5. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once your identity is verified, follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Choose a strong, new password that you haven't used before for added security. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.